Hey everyone, happy Friday. I wanted to go over what you are doing today since I will not be here. Friday today is the end of the term, so for biology, your grades were completed on Thursday. So what you have left today is what your grade is for the 9 weeks. If you have any other classes that you might be worrying about, make sure you send emails to those teachers. Okay, so today we're going to be under Friday, October 9th. These are your instructions and resources for the day. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a graphic organizer, and I've linked in the lecture and the student notes there to help you with that graphic organizer. You're going to do a DNA replication ed puzzle, the DNA replication graphic organizer, and then the DNA replication practice. So the first thing is the ed puzzle. You know what to do. Watch the video, answer the questions. It automatically uploads your completion into Canvas. The next one is the graphic organizer. You can either print this out if you're at home and fill it in. You can write it down on a piece of paper and take a photo of it, or like always, you can fill it out in a Google Doc and upload that as well. You're going to use the following printout graphic organizer or draw it to complete the DNA replication practice. So this is where you can use those notes that we went over. It's going to make a copy for you. And what you're going to do, again, you can do this in your notes. If you do this on your page of notes, you'll be able to use it for the summative when we do our summative for B and C. So first off, I want you to tell me a little bit about what you already know about DNA structure and DNA replication. Then you're going to fill in these boxes. So step 1 of DNA replication, what happens? I already give you the photo. Step 2, tell me what happens. Step 3, tell me what happens. And then what is the end result? I really want you to focus on here. Are you left with 2 template strands in your 2 new cells? Or is it different? What is the end result of DNA replication? Once you finish this, you'll go back, you'll click Submit Assignment up here, and you'll either take a photo of it or you can attach that Google Doc there. All right, the next one is going to be a practice quiz. Now, it says it's 100 points. There's no point system to it. It's not for a grade. The only reason it says that is so that way it can show you what you got right or wrong. So you're going to click on this link. And what I would do, honestly, is I would have a double window open. So I would take this and put it to the side, and then have this one open as well right next to it. These are the questions that you're going to be answering, and they are going to be like a quiz through Canvas. So if you'll notice, question 1 says label the following parts in the DNA molecule using the word bank. And all of the words that are here are the same words that you would see in this word bank. Note to self, make sure you open it in a Google Doc, otherwise you won't see it the way it's supposed to be seen properly. See, there's the word bank that you couldn't see when it was just the preview. So using this over here, how it has A, B, C, D, and E, I'm going to pick whichever word I believe goes with these things and put it into here. So I'm going to give you one. E is a whole unit, and our whole unit for DNA, the subunits, are nucleotides. So I'm going to click on that one there. I'm going to fill it in, and then I'm going to move on to question 2 over here. How many molecules make up a nucleotide? That's A. So for A, I'm going to put my answer. There's a bunch of drop-down menus to choose from. And you're going to work on this simultaneously. So as you're scrolling through here, look over here and put your answers in. Now, there might be some stuff that we didn't really talk about. You're allowed to use your notes. You're allowed to use Google. Again, this is just a practice. The better you do on this assignment, the better you'll end up doing on the summative. So those are the 3 things that you're going to be working on for this day. So if we go back, let it load. For Friday, October 9th, you're going to do the Ed puzzle, you're going to fill in the graphic organizer, and then you're going to do that replication practice. Remember to have two windows open, the window with the paper. Make sure you open it in Google Docs. You're not just viewing a preview of it, otherwise you won't be able to see it. And then you're going to answer the questions in here. I hope you all have a great day and have a fantastic 3-day weekend.